What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Ferg Fletch. What the hell is on my lip? Sunday, but we'll get my Dunkin' and make my way for this hour drive out to Essex. About to go to a little car show, a little local thing. Check it out, see how it is. I'll catch up with y'all when I get out there. Bro, heated is not even the word right now, bro. How am I 1 minute away, bro, from the fucking car show, my nigga? And I fucking go over the railroad tracks, my nigga. I'm like, that sounded bad, bro. I broke my fucking lip. 1 minute from the show, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? I'm about to have to start riding a monster truck, my nigga. Cause what the fuck, bro? I drove the whole hour here, bro. Sturdy, bro. Nothing, my nigga. Look at this shit, bro. This shit got me fucking vexed, my nigga. I'm about to turn around and go the fuck home, bro. Bro, like, look at this shit, bro. It'd be okay if it was just that piece, my nigga, but the whole shit, bro, like, fuck, bro. This shit look dumb, my nigga. Oh, my God, dog. What the fuck, man? If it ain't, it's always some shit, my nigga. Fuck, bro. Yeah. Nigga. And Bex and my dog. Terrible, bro. Nigga, the railroad track, bro. It was a double railroad track, my nigga. I'm like, alright, fuck. Nigga go sideways. I'm like, fuck.
I didn't just ear up, bro.
Bro, it was too late.
100%.
It was too late, bro.
It was a few years ago, back when I wore these in black.
Ain't that what the dude in the purple report got?
Ooh.
It's yours?
Yeah.
Nice car, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Dude,
I like the wheelie.
huh? Thank you.
'Cause I got a white Dodge Charger,
Yeah.
and these here, I never seen this type of wheels because I had white. I had them done white too.
Yeah,
Now, they came white, or you had them done?
They got powder coated. You can take the face off.
If you weren't indoors, you kind of. Yeah, I just did my first full week, and not bored.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I'm freaked out.
Nigga, why an AMG? Oh, you see this? You see this over here in the corner? Oh, look at that, dog. Watch your turbo, dog, yeah?
Yo.
Oh, shit, doggy.
Let's go. Child.
Better, this lift up.
Yo. Sequential.
This lift up, you know.
Sequential.
This lift up, you know.
Give your car window down.
This fucking alcoholic. Fucking alcoholic. Fucking liquor head.
You gotta take what you call it.
Hi guys. Well, thanks for coming. I love it. So here's you're gonna have to try to find the parking spot down there. If not, you're gonna have to swoop over here. After you try down here, there's some cars left. If not, you guys gotta go all the way down there. Try it this way first. Thanks. I feel bad, but I already fucking judged. No one really changed my mind for judging.
Oh yeah?
I,
You don't change your mind?
you too, son. Found my boy Furby.
Got your car in the video, yo.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Of course. That's what's in
Just come. There were none of those.
Dog, I sweat out the deuce here. Oh, that deuce here?
Deuce.
Yo, you drank the whole cup? Wild. Nigga, what the fuck? Sauce, baby. Bro, you see what that shit says, nigga? It says no airbags, we die like real men.
You don't got anything? Some data bites too, I appreciate it.
That's the hatch, right?
Yeah.
Seriously. Alright guys, it was a good turnout for Avery. That was his first show. It won't be his last show, but it was a great turnout for him, bro. Happy I went. Support him for me. Support is free, man. Support those that support you. That's how I like to roll. He's been anybody can say whatever they want, but he's been supporting me, following me on YouTube since my CB7 days, bro. Most of y'all that's new here don't even know where I came from. He been following me from day one, bro. So I said, fuck, let me just go out. I ain't doing nothing. Let me go out and support him. I'm mad. I'm upset that I broke the lip, but I'm about to head home right now and throw on. I got an ACR lip in the garage. I'm gonna try to throw that on real quick. Oh fuck! I gotta get some 3M tape from. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's, get some 3M tape, then go home and put that lip on and yeah, show y'all how that look.
It's cheap. I don't jack, son, might have had a thing for jeans. Smoking on Ed-Bull, swim on the fin, swinging.
Big ACR lip. This shit destroyed, dog. This shit is destroyed, bro. I'm about to drop it back on the floor. And try this. Measure this exposure. There you go. About to put it back on the floor and then see what's good, how it look aired out. Back outside, boys. Look good aired. It look good aired out with this lip. It's not on the floor though how this one was. So what I'm thinking is I can get a splitter and put it underneath that and even have extra security. You guys can put a splitter on it or let it rock like that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, man. It's a long, stressful day. Not really stressful, but that took a minute to do, bro. Like, I'm not used to working on the floor anymore with jacks and jack stands. I'm bougie, bro. I'm a lift boy now, but anyway, comment, like, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for the next one. We out here. Peace.